China, with its vast coastline and intricate network of rivers and lakes, is a seafood lover's paradise. Embarking on a Chinese seafood tour is an adventure for the senses, a deep dive into a world of flavors and textures as diverse as the country itself. From the icy waters of the north to the tropical seas of the south, each region boasts its own unique catch and culinary traditions. Imagine the bustling seafood markets, where tanks overflow with live fish, crustaceans, and shellfish of every imaginable shape and size. The air is alive with the sounds of vendors hawking their wares and the salty tang of the ocean. This vibrant scene sets the stage for a culinary journey like no other. The sheer variety of seafood available in China is astounding. There are countless species of fish, from the delicate white flesh of the mandarin fish to the rich, fatty tuna. Shellfish lovers will be in heaven, with an abundance of prawns, crabs, lobsters, clams, and oysters. Prepare to be amazed by the ingenuity and artistry of Chinese chefs, who have honed their skills over centuries to create a dazzling array of seafood dishes. From simple steamed fish to complex stir-fries and fragrant soups, Chinese seafood cuisine is a testament to the country's rich culinary heritage. Each region of China has its own distinct seafood specialties, shaped by local geography, climate, and cultural preferences. In the north, along the Bohai Sea and Yellow Sea, cold water fish such as cod, flounder, and sea cucumber are prized for their delicate flavors and firm textures. The coastal provinces of Shandong and Liaoning are renowned for their braised sea cucumber, a luxurious dish that is said to have medicinal properties. Venture south to the East China Sea and South China Sea, and the waters teem with a wider variety of seafood, including grouper, snapper, mackerel, and pomfret. The provinces of Guangdong and Fujian are particularly famous for their seafood cuisine. Cantonese cuisine, known for its emphasis on freshness and delicate flavors, features dishes such as steamed fish with ginger and scallions, and stir-fried prawns with garlic and chili. Fujianese cuisine, on the other hand, is known for its bold flavors and use of fermented sauces. A trip to the southeastern coast wouldn't be complete without sampling Fujianese fish balls, made with minced fish, tapioca starch, and spices, and served in a flavorful broth. Chinese chefs employ a wide range of cooking techniques to bring out the best in their seafood. Steaming is a popular method, as it preserves the natural sweetness and tenderness of the fish. Fish is often steamed whole with aromatics such as ginger, scallions, and soy sauce, creating a dish that is both flavorful and visually appealing. Stir-frying is another common technique, particularly for shellfish and smaller fish. The seafood is quickly cooked over high heat with vegetables, sauces, and spices, resulting in a dish that is both flavorful and visually appealing. Deep frying is another popular method, used to create crispy and flavorful dishes such as salt and pepper squid and sweet and sour fish. The seafood is coated in batter or cornstarch before being deep fried until golden brown and crispy. One of the hallmarks of Chinese seafood cooking is the use of bold flavors and aromatics. Ginger, garlic, scallions, chili peppers, and Sichuan peppercorns are just some of the ingredients used to add depth and complexity to seafood dishes. These ingredients not only enhance the flavor of the seafood, but also help to mask any fishy odors. Seafood holds a special place in Chinese culture, symbolizing prosperity, abundance, and good fortune. During Lunar New Year, for example, it is customary to serve a whole fish, representing a wish for a year of abundance and prosperity. In Chinese cuisine, there is a strong emphasis on using fresh, high-quality ingredients, and seafood is no exception. Live seafood is highly prized, and many restaurants have tanks of fish and shellfish from which diners can choose their own meal. The freshness of the seafood is evident in the taste, with the delicate flavors and textures shining through. My own journey through China's seafood landscape has been a revelation, a culinary adventure that has opened my eyes to the incredible diversity and richness of this ancient cuisine. From the bustling seafood markets to the humble street food stalls and the elegant restaurants, I have been consistently impressed by the quality of the ingredients, the skill of the chefs, and the depth of flavor in every dish. Whether you are a seasoned seafood aficionado or a curious newcomer, a Chinese seafood tour is an unforgettable experience that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you with a newfound appreciation for the wonders of Chinese cuisine.